Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing spring trend color inspired by Vogue magazine. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is ZARA.
Like a deep hole. You give me something that I can't give you here.
For this Vogue trending color, I will be using ZARA collection to create it, because we know that Vogue items, some of the items are very expensive, so I decided to take it in a level that we all can afford it. I think ZARA, we have items that is a little bit affordable, items that are a little bit expensive, so we are trying to look bougie and be on budget in this channel. So I decided to use ZARA as an inspiration so that I will just create the color, because Vogue is an inspiration, because we all know that the price, some of the blazer there is all over the place. No, we all can afford it, but you can still create the look, the fit, the elegant, the class. So shall we, let's go to ZARA and shop online. Okay guys, in this outfit, wow, I hope you noticed something that I noticed in ZARA. I would say ZARA is taking Vogue, is taking luxurious, is taking expensive things to a grocery store. Guys, I don't know if you can see something that caught my attention in ZARA this period. When I saw it, I said, wow, ZARA, really? I don't know if you can see the details of this shopping bag. This outfit is those days that you want to look elegant, sophisticated when you are going to your grocery store, but at the same time, you are using items from ZARA or for other brands that is even more affordable. Look at the details of this shopping bag. It's very lovely and elegant. I don't know if you can see the details of this outfit. This outfit, I said, is something like I will know that I will use every day, because the belt have a little bit pocket, so you can add your car key, you can add your coins there. So I decided to add this particular belt that is a bag belt, since you are already having your shopping bag, so you don't need another bag. I don't know if you can see, I really think about creating this outfit. Look at the details on the sneakers. It's amazing. It's screaming Gucci. I think it's very expensive. I decided to add this chunky accessory because it's just a way to add fun, to add that expensive, to add that elegance to your outfit. Look at the details of the glass. Wow, it's very lovely. I decided to pick this outfit because these are the outfits that we all know that this period will be most, but at the same time it's very expensive and it look very bougie. We have yellow, brown, blue, neutral, like name it. I think it's must have. The neutral shoe goes well perfectly with this light wash blue jeans. I think this outfit is very elegant and it look very lovely. Look at this jacket, this yellow jacket. Wow, look at the details, the black button. I said this type of number, you can't go wrong. It's very lovely and elegant. I said this outfit is spring money, and the fact that it's very casual outfit is those items you can wear every day. I said this shopping bag is one of those things that caught my attention in this period, and if something that you have interest for, ZARA have it in brand, so I think it's something that you pay attention to. Personally, I have interest. I want to order it because I just want to look the way, because it's just a way to take bougie, to take Gucci, to take fashion, to take high fashion to the supermarket, to take it to a grocery store. Since most of the time this period, that is the only place we can take our party to. I say it's just a way to put yourself together and look very elegant and tasteful. I said this outfit is one of my favorite. I think this outfit is going to be the most wearable one. It's expensive, it's elegant. I said these sneakers, you will think that it's a sneaker that is very expensive. I will say this must have. In this outfit, I think we will start from the blazer. Wow, I think this yellow blazer is amazing. It's very lovely, it's elegant. I think the fact that the yellow is a little bit settled, it goes with different type of skin tone and it's very matured. I love the cut of the line. I think the neckline, ZARA took the inspiration from higher brand because it's very elegant and tasteful. You can't go wrong with this type of blazer. And just look at the glass. I decided to add this glass that have this chain necklace. I think this chain, it have these details of rose, light rose and nude. I think it's something that is plus. It's very neutral. I think it goes well with the blazer. But I decided to add item that is very lovely, taking inspiration from Vogue, the way they mix and match color, because that is the objective we are creating here. The way how to mix and match different color together in this spring 2021. I will say this must have, just the way to elevate your outfit. And if somebody that you are already having this blazer at home, it's just the color effect, it's just the color palette, because I will be leaving an example. I don't know if you can see the details of the bag I choose. Wow, this floral bag is amazing. This bag have rose, yellow and red. I think I just decided to combine the color together so that we just give it that elegant and class. And this bag is very daily, but at the same time it's elegant. And I decided to add this neutral nude rose body, because the body depends on the light. It can look like neutral, it can look like rose, although it's a light rose. And with this lovely trouser, because if you are somebody that have fun with ZARA, you can't go wrong with this trouser. This trouser is must have. I think it's very lovely. I decided to pair this pair of red shoe. I would say this red shoe is screaming bushy brand that is a little bit more expensive. I think this whole outfit is amazing. It's very lovely. The combining red, rose, yellow. Wow, guys, in this outfit you can see the master of this outfit. Personally, I believe that the bag and the shoe is speaking. This bag is amazing. It's a bag that you can style with different items, with different color. It's not picking at all, and it looks very expensive. And in fact, I have two colors, that they have this dull brown and neutral. I say it's plus, it's something that you can take in consideration. Pairs of shoe that is nude and have this chunky necklace effect. Wow, I would say it's elegant, it's classic. I don't know if you can see the combination of the color. I decided to take it down, not all over the place, because I decided to bring both of them together, the shoe and the bag. Although they look alike, but they're not the same color. I decided to add this chunky necklace. Chunky necklace is must have from ZARA, and it's something that you have interest for. It's €11, so it's something that is very affordable. It's €10.99, so I say it's plus. I decided to add this amazing massive dress. I think this rose dress, I don't know if you can see the rose, it's very gentle, it's not all over the place. And I add this amazing blazer. Wow, look at the details of this red blazer. I said this blazer is must have, is elegant, is classic, is very lovely. And with the cap, you can't go wrong for spring. It's very elegant, it's very bougie. With this nude glass, just look at the combo together, and just look at the details of these sunglasses with the bag and the cap. Wow, I would say this must have, because that is what I pay attention to when I was going through the Vogue magazine. I was out that the details is very well maintained. I say something that you want to play with color. So since we are still on budget, I tend to use ZARA as an inspiration, that you can create the same effect, you can create the same elegant, the same classic, the same bougie, the same expensive, but at the same time using items that they are very affordable. Because this bag is $49.99, almost €50. So it's something that you don't need to go and spend thousand, but you can still create the look. I would say this combo together, red, rose, brown, and natural color, they are amazing together, because it's something that you pay attention to. Red and rose, they go well together. With brown is amazing. So I decided to pick those items. I decided to pick the color match Vogue have already created, but that is very wearable every day, because we know that some of their creation is not really wearable every day. So but this type of decoration I'm giving, I choose those ones that I know that the color is a little bit more gentle, it's not too aggressive. So let me know what you think about this combo. Guys, this outfit, wow, what really caught my attention about the combination of this outfit is the black bag. This bag is very see-through, so you can add any pocket bag, any little bag you have at home inside. I think it's very lovely, and ZARA have some already that you can decide the color. You can also decide to add pop of green, pop of yellow, just mix and match. It's very lovely. Guys, in this color palette, I don't know if you can see, the color that is dominating the color is black, purple, green. I know it's something normally you won't think and mix and match together. Look how lovely it is. So that's why I decided to not just to come to this place and say it. I decided to create an outfit from ZARA, because we are shopping from ZARA. I said this color, this combination of this color is one of my favorite, because I think it looks very lovely and elegant. The blazer is very expensive. It's €80.99, €70, but I decided to add a piece of trouser that is a little bit affordable. And if it's something that you have interest or you are searching for the matching trouser, ZARA still have the matching trouser. But I just love the idea of adding jogger to it. I think it's something more. And the body, wow, is very lovely. I just love the combination of the body and the shoe. I think it's something that you take in consideration. With this type of number, you can't go wrong. This is just a way to play with color, a way to take your outfit to the next level. Although you are shopping on ZARA, but at the same time you can take ZARA to the next level. You can make it look very bougie, very expensive, because the objective of this video is to take ZARA to the next level. Although we are not buying items from Vogue, but at the same time we are taking Vogue to ZARA. I don't know if you understand. understand me. So I think this video is very lovely, it's very interesting. I'm enjoying myself doing this video because it's something I'm taking inspiration. I find one or two outfits that I know if I have marriage, if I have church, if I have any occasion, any place I'm going, I know what I will do. But I think this combo is one of my favorite. Guys, wow, just look at this palette. I said wow. When I saw it Vogue, I said wow, this is amazing. I won't think about this, the combination. I don't know if you can see the details of the color. We have blue, we have green, we have yellow, we have neutral. I think it's very nice. And I decided to add a silver details necklace because silver goes well with this type of color, because this color, they are a little bit cold color, but at the same time they are very colorful. So I decided to mix and match. I don't know if you can see the details of the bag. This bag is wow. With the shoe, wow. I think this outfit is very lovely and elegant. You can take it to work, you can take it to business. It's tasteful, but at the same time it's very colorful. I decided to pick this combo of this color because I love the green and the yellow matching together with this baby blue blazer, and this blazer is very elegant, something you have interest for. It's €70.99. I think it's something that you can take in consideration. With this combo, I said this number here is very elegant and lovely. Look at the details of the glass. I decided to pick a glass that is a little bit elaborate because since the whole colored combination is very calm. I don't know if you can see the details of the trouser, because the trouser, although it's yellow, but the yellow is very calm, it's very soft, so you work with the green, and the green calming is not all over the place. It's a soft green. So I don't know if you can see the blue too. The blue is a soft blue. So I think that is the reason when I went to Vogue and search for it, because I see the way they combine color. When they go for green, they decide to pick a green that is a little bit soft to the yellow, so that you can mix and match. It will look very lovely and elegant and very tasteful. I said this number here, although it's a very colorful outfit, if you can observe it, you can see that the color is very gentle. It's not all over the place, it's not screaming at all. It's very tasteful and elegant. I think this type of number you can't go wrong, because with this type of number you can also take it to work, because although they are very colorful items, but it's colorful that is very soft and gentle. And the neutral shoe is just plus with the bag. You just make everything work together. For that we have blue, yellow, green, and for that the bag and shoe is nude, it just makes everything work, just look very soft and gentle. I don't know if you can see the details of the bag. You have these brand details on the hand. I said it's plus, is very elegant and sophisticated. Guys, in this outfit, wow. Guys, I say when we are talking about spring, you can't go wrong with this type of outfit. Is plus. This denim jacket, wow, is amazing. And my favorite in this outfit is just the belt and the bag. I don't know if you can see the details. Although this bag is a little bit expensive, it's €70, but it worth all the price because it's very elegant. It looks very expensive. You can see the details. Everything of this bag is amazing. And look at the details of the ruche of this skirt. This off-rose color. I think you can't go wrong. I think the whole combination of green shoe, brown belt, brown bag, and this white cap, I think it's just a way to add color to your outfit. I was having that gray, blue, brown, rose, they work together. They look very elegant and sophisticated. I see the way Vogue decided to mix and match. But although with expensive brands, but they have to consider somebody like us. But I decided to add these items from ZARA. Just take ZARA as an inspiration, because I know that ZARA shoe is a little bit affordable than a Gucci shoe or Chanel shoe. So it's just a way to create the outfit, because it's the color palette we are paying attention to. You don't need to go and buy everything in ZARA. If you already have a jeans jacket, a jeans skirt, do you boo, because if you are going to use items you have already in your wardrobe, or if you want to add one or two things from ZARA or from H&M, you can. You don't need to be exactly this brand. The reason when I take inspiration for Vogue, I decide to go for a higher brand, and taking something from ZARA that is a little bit affordable is just a way to prove to you that you can create a look of higher brand with a lower brand. It's just a way to play with your outfit. But we all here, we are not going to live here and go and buying Gucci. Although there's nothing wrong with buying Gucci, if you can afford it, why not? It's just a way for you to make yourself feel good. I said this number here is must have. At the same time, it's very daily because of the color, because of the blue. I think this skirt is must have. I've give try to this skirt. If you are cool like me, I will say give try to this skirt, because this skirt is very lovely. In fact that the rose is very soft. It goes with different brand items you have in your wardrobe. Guys, just look at this outfit. Wow, this outfit, I think when I was looking at it when I was creating, I was thinking of party, restaurants, party, restaurants, party. I think this number here is elegant, is class, is expensive. Just name it. Everybody will look nice, elegant in this outfit. I decided to pick this shiny dress. I don't know if you can see it because it have this button down effect. I decided to pick a piece that I know that it will look nice in everybody's shape. I know that button down dress look nice in everybody type. It's not judgmental. That's what I love about it. I decided to pick this belt with yellow details. It's just a way to add, mix and match, because if you are someone that is shying away for color, but at the same time, since it's very tiny, it's just a minimal details. Because Vogue create this creation that they add rose, gold, pink, yellow, white together. So I said I want to create it, but in a soft way, in a way that will look very nice in everybody, in a way that you can wear it daily. I think this one is very daily. You can wear it to marriage, you can wear it to restaurants. It's very lovely, and the details of this shoe is amazing. The fact that we have this opportunity to tie it around your leg, we just give you that elegant and classic. I said to pick this pairs of ring, and it's something that you have interest for. Zara have it in alphabet, so depends on your name. You can always decide to match it with your name, pick the one with the initiative of your name. So I think it's just a way to catch fun with fashion. Say to add this tiny earring is amazing. Just look at this bag. Wow, I'm ready this bag. I think we all know where Zara take the inspiration from. This bag, I said this bag is expensive, is elegant, is classic, is lovely, because in this palette we have yellow, we have pink, we have gold, we have white, and the details of gold. You can't go wrong. Personally, I'm seeing myself rocking this to marriage, to church, so restaurants. Is very elegant and expensive. This is just a way to create an evening out that is very expensive, elegant and fashion forward, and fashion season. You can't go wrong with this type of number, and it's something that you have interest for. I would say give this dress a try. It's not judgmental at all. It's very lovely. Although you can decide to go with a belt, a yellow belt. The objective of this video is just to show you the way you can mix and match which colors goes with which color. So that is why I decided to take Vogue as an inspiration. Yeah, the objective of this video is just to show you the way you can mix and match. If already you have a lovely dress, rose dress, so you know that you can add a pink blazer to it, you are creating the color, because you can always decide that I prefer a pink shoe or I prefer a red shoe. The objective of this type of video is just to do the color combination. That is the most interest part. It's not even the shoe or the bag. It's just a way to create it, because I can come here and say mix yellow and green together. You cannot see the vision, but mixing it already, shopping online already, will give you the opportunity to can really see the vision. You can really see it on the cutter, the way they look together. I think they look very lovely and expensive. I will say this number here, if you have any party, you have any occasional place you are going, with this number here, you will look like $1 million baby. This is high fashion.